Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. In today's video, I would like to share to you about contouring a nose. So I'm gonna share to you how to contour my nose using makeup. I just would like to snatch my nose when I'm doing my makeup, to look it sexier and narrow. So mainly today we are gonna be using my all-time favorite, the Tarte Shape Tape. This is for the concealer, and we'll be using this Hoola Benefits, the bronzer. Any bronzer will do. So we are going to use this kind of sponge, and I'm gonna explain to you why as well. We are going to use translucent powder. I'll be using the Mercier translucent powder, but you can use any kind of translucent powder. And I'll be using as well a pressed powder. So I'll be using a Clinique. This is the almost powder makeup, and some brushes, the tools that we're gonna be using, and also a beauty blender. So first we are going to use this concealer. So any kind of concealer that you like, that you would love to use, will do, but this is just the concealer that I like to use. So first, of course, I already done my makeup. I put foundation, makeup, bronzer, blush, highlighter, lipstick, and I've done my eyeshadow, my eye, and my eyebrow as well. So first, I'm going to make a dot on my nose, like that here. Okay, and then this is the beauty blender that I use for doing my makeup today. I'm just gonna wet that a little bit with setting spray, but I'll be using this Kodali. Alright, so I'm going to just press it into my nose. I'm sorry guys, I feel like I'm sneezing today. Alright. So the concealer is done. So I'm gonna be using this Hoola Benefits, the bronzer, and we'll be using this sponge. This kind of sponge, you can buy this at the drugstore. The reason why I would like to use this, because it has a straight line in here. You know, sometimes our hand can be shaky, but by using this give me a guideline, like straight on the area where I wanted to make a straight line on my nose. So I have to put it right here and a little on the bottom of my nose. So all you have to do is just dip it in like that, and then just put it right here in the middle of my nose. You see? And then on the bottom part of my nose as well. And then on the other side, like you're making like a V shape. So right now I'll be using this fluffy brush from Murphy M139, whatever kind of tools or a brush, any kind of brush you can use, but this one is so fluffy guys. So we're gonna be blending it, and then blending like that, and then a little inwards. And I'm gonna bring it a little on top as well. You can also pick a little of that bronzer if you think that you want a little more amount on here, on top, down your eyebrow, right there, and on the other side as well. So, and you can do like a circular motion. And then here in the bottom of your nose. Now, if you think that you get the lines that you wanted, you can start applying any powder that you want to use. So I would like to use this this is Echo tool, but any brush you can use, as what I've said. This is called, give me 1 second, it's called the micro blending. So I'm gonna pick up that translucent powder from Mercier, and then I'm just top off the excess and just press it in like that. And then with a bigger brush, any kind of blush brushes you can use as well. Now I'll be using my pressed powder from Clinique. And then I'm gonna be putting that on the side of the lines, so there's no harshness, so it looks more natural. And then guys, I like to use this kind of brush, like a fan. It's like a dusting brush. This is from Baby, but any kind of brush you can use as well. And now I'll be using a highlighter from Becca. It's the Moonstone. So all I have to do is pick some of that, and I'm going to put that here on the point of my nose like that, and then go like here in the middle. So I think it's I think I like the result. So I hope you guys learned something from this video today. And any kind of bronzer you can use. You don't need to use like this bronzer, and you can use any kind of highlighter, any kind of pressed powder as well. But using this kind of sponge will help. um, you just have to pick that bronzer there and then just make a line side by side, because sometimes our hand is like a little shaky by doing the straight line. So I think that's it for the video today, guys. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you can be you will be notified each time when I have an upcoming video. Thank you, guys, and you have a wonderful day. You have a wonderful night. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.